So what's up everyone? So today I'm taking Amy's car to get an oil change. So I'm doing a little bit of driving around today. I got a couple of errands I got to do. And I was supposed to get an inspection, but I cannot find her registration anywhere, so we're going to do that another time. So I'm going to go take a little ride to Agawam and visit my friend Sebastian from Sebastian Sons of Metal. I'm just going to pop in and say what's up. I haven't seen him in a while. I know he's working on a new project, and I wanted to see how it's coming along. Plus, I wanted to talk to him about possibly doing a new project for me. So hopefully that'll happen. So before we do all that, let's go get a car wash. Okay, so we're on our way to go see Sebastian and seeing what he's up to today. I haven't been there in a while. I know he's been working on this truck for a while, so I like to see what his progress is. And yeah, so we're just here to hang out with him and see what's new with him. Absolutely no hoods on while in the store. So that is crazy. You can't wear a hood in a store? I've never heard of that before.
For my buddy, I'm making a video.
Oh, okay.
Where is this place? Oh, there it is. All right, let's go see if he's here.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up, man?
How you doing?
How you doing?
All right, all right.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Holy shit, hey, thanks, buddy.
No problem, man.
We got a bottle of fucking beauty. Awesome, thank you, guys. Went through the entire body, did a whole lot of sheet metal work, and mounted it on a 97 Dodge chassis with a 12-valve Cummins. Find a good power plant for it, got the 12-valve in there, mocked it up on the chassis. We ended up taking off about 10-12 inches out of the frame, lowering it a little bit, getting the intercooler to fit, and just try to find a home for all the electronics. And pretty much got it nailed down, just wiring up the batteries today, getting those figured out, and we're mounting the radiator underneath the bed because we kind of ran out of room up here. New hoses, new intake hoses. We did, you know, all the mounting underneath. Motor's pretty much untouched. That's going to stay as is. Body mounts, everything's mounted in. We got the steering column, all the electronics. Put a new tunnel in there. And then we mounted all the goodies back here. So we got our batteries, we'll have our heater core back here, radiator. Got a home for everything. We'll probably airbag it. Give it a nice little ride, you know. Not too many 53 GMCs kicking around, so should be an interesting truck. actually came from Westfield. Mike Albert, Cobble Mountain Customs. He did a little work with him, and his brother actually had this about 10 years ago as a project with his father. They kind of lost interest in it. Kind of fell into my lap, resurrecting it. Just a matter of having everything fit now. It's 55, they changed the cabs to a bigger cab, like pretty much what we have now, but back in 53 it was a pretty tight fit. But at least I'll have my AC and my heat. I think we're gonna go with a machine gray cab and black fenders, black everything else. Get a nice little ICC bumper there, keep the DOT happy, and probably gonna deck it with some maple, maybe some oak, we'll see. Haven't gotten that far yet. Throw some cool doors on there, letter them up. I think we got a couple artists that are interested in doing that, and hopefully another week we'll be pulling it back apart to paint everything. And that stuff under there, you know, big disaster up here. Nothing but fun stuff, Jeff. Nothing but fun stuff. I'm hoping to have this thing back apart by the end of next week. We'll get the chassis sandblasted, and we'll start putting it back together after that. Hey, if anybody's interested in you know, any custom fabrication, hot rod work, or any unique shit, that's what we do here at Sebastian & Sons Metalworks. Follow us on the Facebook, check out the progress coming along. All right, cool. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to Jeff's channel and check out all the awesome work that he does and all the awesome people he connects with.
All right, man.
All right, man. Thank you, sir.
You, man.
Hey, you too, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for the bottle, man. Appreciate it, man.
Absolutely, man. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good luck on the truck.
All right.
I'll see you soon.
Sounds good.
Peace, man. Proceed.